there, I'm Leslie Thompson, founder of 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy, and in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy and how it can help you stay on track with your nutrition to get in the best shape of your life. I created this program because I struggle to create meal plans based on the portion control containers. My brain just doesn't work like that. So to make meal planning simpler, I came up with a card system, much like my healthy meal planning system I shared in video 1, but with container counts for each meal. Now color-coded meal planning takes just minutes, and I actually look forward to the meals I plan. And that's what I want for you too. Imagine how it will feel to finally know exactly what to eat and when. Imagine having the know-how to quickly choose your meals and experience weight loss and muscle shred by sticking with your Time nutrition. So if you're doing the workouts but you aren't getting the weight loss results you desire, or you're overwhelmed by the eating plan and have given up on it completely, or you just aren't sure where to start with Time nutrition, 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy can help. So what exactly is 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy? It's a course designed for people who are overwhelmed by Time nutrition and meal planning by portion control containers. 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy will walk you through exactly how to meal plan for 80 Day Obsession. You'll get all the tools you need to successfully reach your weight loss and fitness goals. The course includes digital downloads like meal plan templates for your eating plan and workout time, color-coded food list cards, and color combo meal cards. It even includes a full week's worth of meals and snacks for each phase based on your eating plan and workout time. The course covers refeed days and peak week deplete days. I've also included a variety of bonuses to help you become a meal planning expert. My goal is to help you get your nutrition right without getting bored so you can reach your goals. You should also know that 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. I want you to feel confident in your decision, and that's why I invite you to test drive the course 100% risk-free. If you give it a genuine go and you don't feel like I delivered on my promise, ask for a refund. Of course, at this point, you probably only have one big question left. What's the investment? The investment for 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy is $45. This is an amazing value with over 100 plus meal and snack ideas, 3 weeks of meals planned for your meal plan and workout time, and everything you need to succeed with Time nutrition. I've done all the hard work for you so you can cut your meal planning time into just minutes a week and feel confident in your choices. As you consider joining us, I want you to think about what would be different in your life 80 days from now if you decide not to commit. Probably nothing, right? To make the progress you want in your life, you have to commit to change. This is the course that can get you the results you want. Registration is open now, but only for a few days, so don't wait. Instead, ask yourself this: what is important in your life right now? What do you want to achieve in the months ahead? What goals do you have related to getting your nutrition on track that keep getting pushed to the back burner? You have an opportunity to do something about that right now, today. Stop the excuses and go all in. Commit to following the eating plan and know that you've given your very best effort. Being able to see the muscle tone you've built is very rewarding. The feeling of confidence and strength when you can really see your results in the mirror is empowering. 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy is a course that will provide you with all the knowledge and tools you need to master Time nutrition and get in the best shape of your life. And that is why I invite you to say yes. Yes to Time nutrition, yes to keeping your nutrition on track, yes to the confidence you'll gain by getting in the best shape of your life. Click the button below and register now. I'll see you inside the course.